many noses does Steve have?
How many noses do I have?
One. Check.
Check.
Okay. Checkup number 2. How many fingers does Steve have?
How many fingers?
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fingers. Check. We figured out what you have.
What I have? What I have? What do I have?
You have to find 2 more clues.
Oh. Well, I think we better follow Doctor's orders and find 2 more clues. Clues. We are sniffling for blues clues. We are sniffling for blues clues. We are sniffling for blues clues. Wonder where they are.
A clue.
Oh, yep. We still need to find 2 more clues.
A clue. Right there.
Oh, wait. Really? You see another clue? Another blues clue? Where? Look at that. On the table, there's a bowl. And the clue is on that bowl. So, our second clue is this bowl. Okay, you know what we need? Our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Okay, a bowl looks like, well, there's a circle at the top and a curve here and over here. And we have a bowl. So, we're trying to figure out what I need to feel better. What was our first clue?
Spoon.
A spoon, right. And now we have a bowl. So what could Blue think I need to feel better with a spoon and a bowl? What do you think I need to feel better? You know, I think we need to find our last Blue's clue. The mail's here.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
Mail.
You know what you need to feel better, Steve?
Oh, please tell me.
You need your last clue.
Oh. You know, I'd settle for a letter from our friends.
A letter? I just happen to have a letter right here.
Cool. We just got a letter. 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 Wonder who it's from. It's a letter from our friends.
Hi, Steve. I'm going for a checkup.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Good.
I'm going to take a look in your ears, sir, okay?
Ooh, that tickles.
Yeah, but